Hey everyone, I'm Paul, and today I'm installing the Flatland Racing license plate holder on my Honda CRF300L. The first step is removing the seat. Remove 2 bolts, then slide the seat back to take it off the motorcycle. The rear fender has 2 more bolts holding it. These bolts are long, so you can strap a bag or something back here. Pop the panels outward, then pull the fender off the bike. Slide the cover back and unplug the connector for the license plate light. 3 bolts hold the rear fender and license plate holder. With the fender off the motorcycle, remove the license plate. You'll find 2 more bolts back here. Take them out and open it up. 2 long skinny bolts hold the license plate light. Apply Loctite to all the new hardware so it doesn't vibrate loose later. Reuse the long skinny bolts from the original fender. Add the 2 black plastic spacers and install the license plate light onto the aluminum bracket. Use the original nuts and tighten it down. The instructions say to route the wiring under the bracket, but I don't like pinching wires, so I'm cutting an indent under the tail light for wiring. Hold the new bracket under the motorcycle and use the 3 provided bolts to attach it. Leave them loose for now. I routed the light wire between the tail light and plastic back here. Plug in the connector, then go back and tighten down the mounting bolts. This license plate bracket comes with a reinforcement piece so your plate doesn't break off. These bolts come with nylon locking nuts, so Loctite isn't needed here. Notice I added washers to the top bolts that go into the slots. And of course, before you put it back together, make sure all the lights work. This piece is pretty nice. It's lighter weight and stronger than the original license plate holder. Reinstall the rear fender cover and snap the front into place. Install 2 bolts with black spacers in the back and tighten them by hand. Slide the seat in and make sure the front hooks into place. Install the 2 bolts with silver spacers up front and tighten them down. That was a very easy installation, and I was able to get this big bulky thing off my motorcycle. Now there's probably a reason it came with this. I imagine this piece sits back here and it stops water from splashing off my tire onto the windshields of cars behind me. Now in the United States, nobody cares if you don't have this extra fender, but in some countries you might be required to have this on your motorcycle. So I recommend keeping this piece just in case you're forced to put it back on your motorcycle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.